Um, Welcome back. I've shown you how to install a graphics card earlier. Today I'm going to show you how to install a hard drive. This is the first part of the video. I'll just introduce the hard drive to you. Most people don't know what a hard drive looks like. They haven't looked inside their computer case. This is a regular 3.5-inch hard drive. As you can see, this is in an anti-static bag. That means it keeps out all static, which is very dangerous for your hard drive and any other computer component, including the graphics card that I was handling. Before you handle any computer component, I have to ask you to make sure that all static is off you. You can do this by purchasing an anti-static wrist strap, which costs just a few dollars, or you can learn to de-static yourself around the house. You can do this by touching a metal faucet or by touching a grounded window. Anything that's grounded, even your computer case will do it. As long as you don't have any static on you, you can handle these computer components without any problems. I'm going to take this out and show you that this is a Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. Well, as said before, this is a Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. It's a 3.5-inch hard drive for your computer. This will not fit in a laptop. Laptops use smaller ones, about 2.5 inches. And as you can see, it has a little bit of circuit board showing up in front. On top here we have the power connector and the SATA cable connector. On the left as the power connector is where your power source unit connects, and to the right we have a SATA connector. It connects to the installation summary on the front says you should screw both sides. Some cases make it impossible for you to get to the other side. If you can install 2 screws on one side, make sure it's secure. Make sure you position it properly. You don't need screws on both sides. I'll be installing this later on into my computer as a test. This 1TB hard drive was purchased for a new computer project that I'll be building. I'll also be recording at this time. I've built many other computers in history. This is the first one that I'll be recording. I hope you stick around for that one and see it when the time comes. I'm slowly buying computer components. This is the first one that I purchased from TigerDirect.com. They had a sale on the hard drive. It cost me $75 with shipping, but after mail and rebate it'll cost me $35. But before I send in the rebate, I have to make sure that it works first, and I'll be installing it later. And I'll show you exactly where to do it, where the connectors go, and depending on your case, they're usually in the front. And once that's done, you should be able to install a hard drive pretty easily. It doesn't require a lot of skills. I tend to think it's a little bit harder than a graphics card, but it's easier because it already has a position in the computer case no matter what. This is the first part. Once again, I will put the actual installation part as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part.